sir. My name is Reynalyn Ampuan, 36-year-old from Ilagan, Isabela, Philippines. I'm married. I have three children. Their age is 17, 13, and 6 years old. I'm a high school graduate. I have a working experience, work in Hong Kong, year 2019 to 2022. I serve 5 people, 2 couple, and 3 children. The children age is 6, 9, and 3. My responsibilities is do the housework chores like cleaning, cooking, ironing. I send the children go to school and always read book for them. My second employer is an elderly. Grandma is 85 years old. Grandpa is 87 years old. My duties and responsibilities as the helper is to always help them go to hospital. I do the cooking, cleaning, marketing. We do the exercise. Hi ma'am, sir, if you choose me as your helper, I will do my best to do my duties and responsibilities. I have an initiative, honest, and I'm a loyal. Thank you, ma'am, sir.